On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. What is going on, everybody? Bitcoin is sideways. It is so sideways. I don't know if I've ever seen it this sideways, which means that it's about to move. But which way is it gonna move? I'm still feeling like crap, but here we are, trying to help yet again. What is going on, everybody? Make sure you say good morning. It's the only requirement. What's going on? Look at all these absolutely beautiful human beings here hanging out, talking smack, taking trades, all that good stuff. Thank you for being here. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Another day, another penny. Here we go. Thank you for being here. How's everyone doing, man? Janky. Is there any other way to describe this besides janky? Janky? I mean, we could long VWAP right now if we wanted to, but chop at the WAP, guys. Chop at the WAP. Army Piper has a affection erection right now because he has all this data coming out today in affection erection. GDEPI, the Italian GDP, GDEPI, that's coming out today. Core PCE, personal income, personal spending at 10 a.m. I don't know if I'm even going to make it till 10 a.m., guys. I really don't feel well. However, I'm going to try. Can we put on, like, you know, when you just want to put on a movie? Like, you know, can the supply teacher come to class today and put on a movie? I think the supply teacher should come on and put a movie on. That would be incredible. Isn't there someone else streaming right now? I mean, they don't have the best Discord in all of crypto, but how about Trump yesterday? Everybody laying the smack down. Trump laying down the law. That That was pretty wild. Everybody, so looks like he's gonna have Greenland. Did you see that clip where he's like, they're like, how long do you want to have Greenland for? Forever, not 90 years, forever. Holy, that's crazy. So crazy, man. What a world to be in, right? What a world to be in. And then Bitcoin does this all night long, sideways. So everybody and their brother and sister can all draw a flag. Okay, we all went to, kindergarten. So we can draw a flag. We can say it's going to the upside because it's got a pole. You can take your pole and do this, and you can say that it's going to 92,000. Very possible, guys. I'm not a pole dancer, so I don't know how it works. However, we have an aggressive move up yesterday into consolidation with a beautiful fair value gap in here. Naturally, I would like to see this targeted and then pushed out. Naturally. Unnaturally is that we just continue upwards here. Because we want balance in the force, right? So, I promised my wife I would not overwork today. Because I did yesterday. Had a bunch of behind the scenes stuff to get done. And I felt worse. Who would have thought I felt worse after it all? Floki's Angels, what's going on? Steven Farmer, much love. Good to see you. Have a good day, Floki's Angels and the kitty cat, Shrian Village. Good to see you, man. DJ, how you doing? Good morning, Alexander G. Golden Child, Nick. Please don't forget to make those like buttons. Subscribe if you're new. And have a great day. Trace, Midnight Hammer, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Triple, how you doing? Steve Hickey. I hope I feel better too, man. Good morning, Brandon, Ryan Smith, Mark Gustafson, Loco, TNB. This is not tradable, in my opinion, guys. This is... You get chopped up here so fast, it's not even funny. So ugly. So ugly. Milan, what's going on, Mikey, Bruce, Loco, XYZ. Good morning, gang, gang, gang. Captain Otter, it's Lord Otter, King Beaver, Mariana. That's my pronouns. If anyone's new here, welcome. Lord Otter, King Beaver. I identify as pre-rich, honest, transparent trader. What's going on, Army Piper, B-Rad, Loco, Cadillac. That's definitely like your high school nickname, Cadillac. Doggy Dog, Shredder, Curtis Hill, good to see you. Anthropic as well. Thank you for being here. Sorry for being sick, guys. I mean, like fever, hot and cold flashes. I haven't thrown up since day one, but I definitely have the Hershey squirts and the fever. I won't get into any more details, but I have respect for everyone. Okay, stomach is churning. Okay, aggressive moves through VWAP's typically bearish. Little order block down here. Probably a 1 minute block. Yeah, here it is. 1 minute block on Solana. Golden pocket. Ooh, don't make it pink. Everybody get all excited here. Nice slap here. Uptrending momentum here as well. If she's gonna bounce, she might bounce from here. It's a pretty cheap trade. Target up to this block here. Got momentum against you right here, so it's not something. Yeah. I like the volume that came in on that candle though. Volume increasing. Into VWAP though. That's the issue. Is we're coming into VWAP right here, so it's not something I'm necessarily keen on taking. You see how fast I can justify why I can take a trade? That's why I wait a lot, guys. You see how fast I can come up with that thesis right there? Yeah, order block, momentum, golden pocket. Right? And look, it might work. But it's important to be patient, especially when we have news coming out in 28 minutes. It's important. And the way price action's moving right now is pretty disgusting, pretty slow and painful. We look at Bitcoin here, my God. There's no better definition of sideways than where we're at right now. We take our little flag. Maybe I should draw the flag. Put a 1 in the chat if you like trading flags. You let me know. Am I allowed to like cheat here and go like this? How much am I allowed to cheat on a flag, you know? We'll see. Shredder, good to see you. Guy, how you doing, man? God bless. Darren, DJ Max, Steve Hickey, French Toaster, Curtis Hill. Leaving in the morning. Mariana. Thank you. Thank you, Blackie Chan. Good to see you as well, Curtis Hill. Look at that. Cheeky little bugger here. Slap and go. Slap and go. Is Bitcoin trying to push as well? Oh, a little bit. A little bit. I mean, we are splitting hairs here, friends. We are splitting hairs. We are not here to split hairs. Curtis Hill, Blanco, good to see you, man. The gang's here, yeah. Miller, good to see you, man. XYZ. Rashad, God bless you. How you doing, man? Good to see you. FJ Trading, good to see you. One of the traders in our Discord. Spoiling you guys with setups all the time. I don't know. You guys are just spoiled, man. Trump embarrassed America. Did he? Seems like everybody agreed with him, but I think he scared everybody, then showed up there and then got the deal he wanted, but who knows, man? Who knows? I don't... Carney gave a great speech. I don't know about that, man. Carney's I mean, Canada has the highest inflation on food in the entire world now in the G7. Almost 6.5%. Have you been to the grocery store lately? Holy smokes. Crazy. And this whole China thing's scary as ever. So I don't know. Guy, I don't know where we're at here in Canada with all that. I stay out of politics, so man. Just let me my family, pay less taxes, eat good food, afford a house, free speech, leave me alone. That's all I ask for. That was a very justifiable long here, guys. That's all I ask for. Philly Skills, Wagwan, good to see you, man. Curtis Hill, Jeremy, good to see you as well. Look at this. This is nice, man. This is nice coming into the news data here. Downtrending momentum break above VWAP. Nice little push here. Into news. It's always into news, isn't it, guys? A real signature bullish Alex's coffee. We're almost halfway done, guys. We're halfway done. My first time watching you yesterday. Oh, man. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm talking about pooping myself and puking. It's normally not like that. It's normally a lot more shit talk than that. Thank you for coming through, though. I appreciate you being here. Taking the trades, showing the trades, trying to make crypto honest again. That's the whole theme here. Not feeling any better now. VWAP retest here. No fake out in the morning. Aggressive moves through VWAPs, typically bullish. And take a half a position size maybe. Bitcoin trying to push here. Looks like we got a big seller up top here holding price down. Solana trying to go here. Aggressive move through VWAPs, typically bullish. A little bit of a break here. CBD bullish or not? No, not yet. Trying to push. Apologize for being sick, yeah. I am sorry for being sick. Hershey squirt sounds yummy. What's going on, Tony? Good to see you, man. Joe, good morning. New to the channel, welcome. Thank you for being here. Good morning, JR. How you doing, bro? How's the trading been? My fellow Albertan. Have you voted for the independence movement yet? Mariana, good to see you. Ryan, do you have a flag? No. If we engulf here, I'll get long. If we engulf here, I'll get long. Mm-hmm. 30 seconds. Hey, Wick, how's it going, man? Good to see you. Give me a country, any country, Greenland, Iceland. I don't care what you think. Just have a country because... Oh. Okay, let's go. Let's see if we can push here. Oh, 1 second. Okay. I'm the German banker who says get long on the Bitcoin. Just a quarter position size, guys. Let's see if we can push up here. I like the quarter position size. Oh, man. Push it, you nambe pambe. Price action's so slow right now. It's going to be painful. Is it not? I mean, Bitcoin's trying to push, Solana's trying to push, reclaim a VWAP, bullish engulfing candle, aggressive move through VWAP. It's all there for potential push up to the high of the range. It doesn't want to take my profits off. Ja. It's going to front run me. What's the bet? It's going to come right up to my order and not fill it. Too bad, AlexOCrypto. If it comes up here and it stalls out, I quit trading. Look at this. It's just sitting there. Teasing my order. There we go. Tease, a big tease. The big tease. Even if I brought it down here, watch. It'll go further back. Oh, there it goes. It took it. Yeah. Okay, stop loss to entry. Risk-free trade. Let's go to the moon. GG's in the chat, everybody. Quick little starter scalp. Starter scalp, baby. I'm even doing it sick. Come on, man. I'm doing it sick. Look at this. This is sick nasty. We're going to Valhalla now. Gonna make a quick $200 maybe. Top of the range right there. Kind of deal. Happy days. Everybody winning. GG's in the chat. I feel a big wick coming. Oh, big wick's in the chat. Watch out. Put a 1 in the chat if you got long with me. I mean, it was pretty obvious, guys. Come on. If you're in our Discord and you didn't take that long, you don't have to go full position size. I didn't. I went a quarter position size. A couple $100. Start the day. Right? We all understand why. Do we need to explain it? Okay, so what do we have? We have a move down. Okay, we have a rejection off the highs here. Look at that. TP hit. It's got to be hit. Oh, they front running me again. Are they front running me like that? You dirty bastards. Look at that. Look at that front run, guys. I swear to God, Bitunix does this. Take it off. Take it off. There we go. Okay. Thank you. I like to have my profits. Thank you. Okay, so we have a high. Established high. We have an established low. Okay. Which gives us a range. But if we're really looking at this, okay, it's always important to identify premium and discount within a range, right? Which means, yes, you have the high of the high of the high, right? But you also, I do teach this. It's your first high and your first low. Okay, so if you watch our range bound trading videos, how to trade a range, you're looking at not this guy and this guy, but you're looking at this guy and this guy. Okay, that's going to help you define your range. Okay, can you see how much better those two inside levels are? Okay, if you didn't have that inside level, you would have missed all of this. You would have missed this. Okay, so defining a range and then being able to trade it, it becomes an area, right? If I only had this level down in here, I mean, I wouldn't take any longs. I'd be fucking missing out the whole time, right? Because you're going to develop a range. By the way, I gave this level in the Discord too, on Bitcoin down here. So once you've defined the range, you must be able to trade a range, buy low, sell high, right? So what are you looking for? You're looking for strength. You can see higher lows in here. You can see a golden pocket retracement continuation trade. You can see a VWAP, aggressive move through. So VWAP strategy combined with an uptrend, combined with a bullish flagpole. Okay, we got a bullish pull, guys. Big bullish pull. Bullish pull energy, okay? You have a momentum break here and a retest back in. Okay, which is a slap. Then we use a candle pattern. I said if we engulf this candle, I am long. This candle here, if we engulf it, I am long. What happened? We engulfed it. So what did I do? I pressed the long button, quarter position size because it's choppy and it's ugly. Stop loss below the low. Risking 300 to make 600. It never ends up like that, right? We made $200 off this trade. And off we go. Okay, look. Now we're pre-rich. We're like doing the Donald Trump dance. Right? Does that make sense to everyone? I think that should make sense to everyone. If not, stay a little longer. Join the Discord. I'll show you how to do it. Okay? I should have hammered this thing at this rate. Look at us go. We're going to Valhalla here, guys. Beautiful trade, everybody. Very simple. Let's see if we want to continue here. Now we look for a breakout retest continuation trade. All right, so what's that? What does that look like? Well, we want to find information in here. So we're looking to find information in here, even though we're long from here because we're absolute gangsta. Oh, man, when you're sick, some things just come out of your mouth that are sick, okay? Absolute gangster. Guys, never, ever allow me to say that shit again, okay? When you're sick nasty, like JR. Okay, so where's our volume shelf? Okay, identify our volume shelf. Then we want to go and get some some information in here. Sorry, I'm laughing at myself. I'm a loser, okay? I think I'm funny. Order block. So we're going to reduce this. Okay. So now we want to let this thing run away. Do whatever. You can do whatever. And then it can come back. Okay? Or we want it to flag out, slap and go. Okay? That's it. Great trade, everybody. Well, look at that, guys. Look at that trade. Gangsta. Put a 1 in the chat if you took that trade, or put You can also put a 1 in the chat that you're pissed off that you didn't take the trade. Oh, man. I'm pissed off I didn't hammer the trade. Liquidity sweep here. Yeah, I'll look up here. Damn. It didn't even take this high. That's interesting. So here's our retest that we're talking about. Beautiful trade. ETH looking to go. Where's it going, man? Alex, you need coffee? I am coffee today, man. Look at the trade. Close it. We just got data, guys. We just got the news data. GDP is at 4.4. It's coming back to get us here, my friends. GDP. GDP comes in at 4.4, everybody. Consensus forecasts. So GDP is flying, man. 4.4. These guys aren't messing around, man. These guys aren't messing around. I think that's bullish. What does the stock market think? It's not sure. ES. ES is pretty flat. NASDAQ, dump and pump. Solana, pump and dump. That's interesting. This is where we would typically add, but I'm not going to look to add. I think I'm going to close this trade out. Happy days, man. Let's see if we can push up here. This is typically where you look to add, but trapping longs coming back and wrecking them, right? So I think we get out of the trade and look to take another one. Or it just stops me out. That's fine too. Happy days. Good trade. On to the next one. VWAP slap again. Jeez, that was aggressive, eh? That's an angry little price action there, guys. And that's why we pay ourselves. Pump and dump. Legit. Wow. This price action's a bit of bullshit. You hear? Bullshit. GDP coming in though. Chantel, good to see you. God bless. How you doing? Decent crypto. Good to see you. God bless you. Dave Digital. Wix Wife Fine 89. Good morning. I don't know how to say your name, man. Frost Dog. How you doing, man? Baru. Nadeem, good morning. How you doing? Josh Parr. I totally forgot the data was coming out, guys. That was my bad. See, that's being sick, right? That's being sick, not being prepared. So my risk was 300 and you made 200. I was maximum willing to risk 300 there, yes. I was hoping for more, but I took profits early because it was a quick scalp. Gangsta. Today's the direction day. Rashad. Good job with the longs, everybody. Hopefully you paid yourselves. Jeanette, good to see you. Dustin, good to see you as well. Cooked numbers. Are they cooked? I think we should get short here. Bitcoin's dumping. I'm short. Take profit one hit. Oh, it came back for me. I made $200. Oh, I only made $109, guys. I guess it's still a win. See, I can't give those setups in advance. $109, $165 on the last one. Hey, up $260. I've made my carpenter's wage today already. That's happy days. The problem with when you trade after news, right, is that you'll get about 15 minutes of volatility and then you go flat, which sucks. Which does suck. I was just looking for follow through here on Solana through VWAP, and it came back and got me, which is fine. We're literally right back to where we started this morning, guys. However, what's the difference, everybody? What have we done? We've swept liquidity, right? So it's suggestive down to come get this guy here, or this guy here at minimum, right? How do we get there? I can't tell you. But naturally, we've done a job. They've used the news to do it. Now we'll see what they do with the rest of the information that they have here. This looks bearish, so looks like we're coming here or here. No trade right now. I would be short, but I'm not taking it here. I've already tried to do a continuation short trade and it barely worked out. So it's a bit risky unless you're fast. I think a lot of people struggle because they're not as fast as me. You must get efficient with your exchange. It's very important. If you can't just go into your exchange, enter, take profit, stop loss immediately. They have presets on Bitunix, which is pretty good. I do have a Bitunix offer coming soon. But if you're on Bitunix, you can have a trading template, and you can add a template so you have the same sort of position thing every time. I mean, for me, I know just generally with my $30,000 on futures here that I generally know how to enter and exit and risk manage according to where price action is right now. See, I should have stayed in this short. Down we go, Geronimo. Yeah, we'll see here. Bitcoin, rotation down. Still waiting here. 12-minute rotation down. Wrecking the bulls, wrecking the bears, both ways. Apples and pears. Thank you, everybody, for being here and smacking up the like button. There's 408 people here. We gave an amazing long already today. Hopefully you're all rich. If you guys wouldn't mind smacking up the like button, we only have like 100 likes. It's definitely really gay saying that when you're sick. It's like, oh, fucking ask for likes. It's like extra gay. Durka Durka, gang. What's going on, LBC? Good to see you, bro. How's trading going? Hey, Randy, how you doing? Good to see you, Randy. God bless you. I hope I start feeling better, V-Monitor. I promised my wife I would only do my live stream today. I promised my wife because I'm not feeling well again. I didn't rest yesterday properly. What's the data? The data is GDP coming in at 4.4, which is above forecast, which is good. As you can see, it's very good. Oh, man. Guff, good to see you. Philly Skills. Cash. Rashad. Army. No Diggity. Good to see you. French Toaster. Grandmaster Ape, how you doing, bro? Jax. Grayson. No, it's not necessarily that, Grayson. Like, I'll reduce risk depending on price action, right? So initial risk is 300. I'm not necessarily going to take that $300 loss. Right? So if we look at that trade invalidation, your invalidation is naturally going to be that low. Okay? It's naturally going to be this low here. Grayson. However, once you move up into here, it becomes this low. So your risk goes from like 300 to like $100 here, right? So your R multiple is still 2 to 1. Okay. It's just I give it breathing room. I'll slide it up to here if I have to take the loss. But I'll give it breathing room because I know they'll friggin' hunt me. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Congratulations. I got short. I just got stopped out, man. Kind of annoyed. $300 stop loss, but how much percent is that? Oh, I have a $200,000 trading account, man. So I don't. That's peanuts. I'm not trying to be egotistical. Alex, it's Guff. Okay, Guff. I'm kidding, man. Mr. G Huff. G Huff? I'm still going to call you Guff, man. I love you, bro. Randy, can you make me some chicken noodle soup? Lunar Beaches. I explain the trades after I take the trade. I know I'm fast, okay? I teach everybody how to do that in the Discord. What's going on, Lewis? Slick Shoes. And if you're paper trading or whatever, that's cool, man. I mean, I explained the trade after I took the trade, right? Completely. What's going on, Farmer? Good to see you, man. Good morning, good morning. Trying to get her this construction life. Hopefully Otter Gang can get me there. Just joined the Discord. Welcome, man. Thank you for joining. I mean, I was a carpenter for 15 years, so if I can do it, making crypto honest again, yeah. I was short, saw you going long, so I closed my trade. Why, God? Well, where were you short from? Bitcoin trying to bounce here. Way below VWAP now, so we're looking down in here. This low here. Liquidity. Retest our previous lows. In here. Do we got a block in here? Yes, we do. I would like higher, but we'll see. Solana. Solana suggests higher here. I expect chop now, right? We're at 15 minutes after the news data. I expect chop, like chop and continuation, right? Good morning, Milo. FX, Pips. Recketing. Isaac, good to see you. S-Row. I'm gonna let that pass. I asked my wife to make me chicken noodle soup, but she's too busy with my son. She's got the full mom duties on. My wife makes an amazing chicken noodle soup, by the way. When coffee pump, we're almost there, man. We're almost there. Coffee pump. What's going on, Slick Shoes? Pat, good to see you, man. One trade today, perfect little VWAP slap, continuation trade here all the way up. Let's see what we get now. Coming into market open, bullish news that dumped the market. GDP coming in very good. Then we got a core PCE forecast is supposed to be coming down. Spending and income. So we got a full day of news today, guys. So patience is going to be a virtue. Patience is going to be a virtue. Join the Discord. Yeah, that's the one, man. I think I'll do like a free or like a $30 off the first month or something for the Discord for Valentine's, because I love you guys. Off the first month, though. I'm not going to give away the Zuzamin Floss deal anymore. It is the same as hammer and nail. If you don't hit your thumb, you will never learn. That's the truth, man. I mean, I can drive 3.5-inch spikes in 2 shots. So, used to do a lot of form work, 4x4 nailing, bulkheads, you name it. 2-inch bullets, all day long, baby. Good fun. I do miss it sometimes. What if, though, can explain all the TA either side has moved? Can't predict it as easily, though. Has prop account playing both ways, showing both. Good to see you, Kenny. Your name is Red Wings. You guys beat Toronto last night. I'm sorry, man. I'm not even going to read your message, man. I'm a big Leafs fan. So I'm just going to give you a timeout for having the name Red Wings in my chat, bro. I'm surprised username isn't here talking smack. You guys beat us in overtime last night. Shame on you. Fucking Red Wings. Sorry. That's my competitive sports fan in me. Mess with hockey, man. I'm Canadian. Beat my Leafs. King Solomon wants to long this. Uh-oh. This looks like price discovery. Price discovery is above 126,000, my friend. But maybe the volatility makes you think that way. Wayne Rossi, good to see you, man. How you doing? God bless. Follow through, down we go. Bitcoin, down we go, coming down. Looking to sweep this low here. Nothing yet. NASDAQ. NASDAQ's pumping. It's a weird world, guys. Here we are in the crypto world. Liquidity sweep? Yeah, we're looking for a liquidity sweep right now. I was watching Jay the other day and got caught. Sorry, I'm too fast. I keep the patience. Try to be patient here. Congratulations, everybody, on your shorts, man. I'm happy. I got short. I just got stopped out. Please explain how you trade during the news. So news event, you get typically 3 moves. You're going to have an initial move, fake out move, and the continuation of the actual move. So in this case, we had the initial move, which is up, which suggests the market should be going up today. However, we have the fake out, right? So we are looking for the actual move to continue here. Okay, so that's generally the rules. It's all dependent on price action, right? So for now, we're down only. We had the initial move out, the fake out, down, and now we're looking for a retracement back up. But for me right now, it's just about being patient. We got about half hour till market opens. We've taken 2 trades today, both in profits. We're not here to give it back, right? We're not here to give it back. So, especially in this type of environment here, I do like that Solana's taken this low here. However, big imbalance in here. This is somewhere we're interested in here, depending on how price materializes in here. For Soy Boy Lana, same with this. We haven't swept the low here on Bitcoin, so it does suggest we could come down lower. 3-minute order block here. I just don't like that it swept the low here. Kind of deters me from shorting this. Typically I would short right here. It would be pretty cheap too. Be like this. This would be the trade setup. But I'll refrain from it right now. That's a good deal for tryout, yeah. Please explain again how you trade during news. Yeah, done. Ouch. I mean, if you're going to go avalanche, I mean, yeah, I guess so. Harp's in here. Harp and his Phillies. Bruins, Phillies, Flyers. Yeah, see, that's why we didn't take it, because it did sweep the low, right? Liquidity is king. Liquidity is always king, guys. Appreciate you too, Edis. Thank you for being here, man. Any chance you need coffee? I do, yeah. Are you guys going to get long, though? Don't forget to smash the like button. There's only 500 of you here and only 150 likes. You guys are rookie numbers, man. You must stand up and do the floss with all of us on the live stream. Do the floss? What's the floss? Is that when you take like the towel after you showered and do the like, you know, between the cracks? How about those Pats? Yeah, whatever, man. You guys are going to... Who do you got next? The Rams? Who do you face next? Pats are cheeky, man. They got that Tom Brady energy still. I can do the Donald Trump dance if you want. That would be my goal celebration every day. Just to piss off Canadians. I use Bitunix right now, Ben. Boston cream. That's the only... Yeah. I guess that is the only thing that's good from Boston. Get ready for when he leaves for coffee. Yeah. It's very close. You guys are hilarious, man. I have no prop account, no. I just trade my own money. The Dallas Stars. I mean, Mike Modano was cool back in the day, but besides that, you guys, for the team you have, you guys choke hard, man. You guys got such Sagan, Ben. Last year you got, what's his name? That superstar. You guys still choked, man, in the playoffs. McDavid just eats your food every playoff run, Dallas. Is that the Katy Perry dance? I don't know, man. Justin Trudeau. He's so gross, man. God bless you, View Monitor. Thanks for the kind words. Whoa, cracks? How many cracks you got? Well, that's for me to know and you to find out. Is that gross? I mean, I'm old. My wife hates that I say I'm old. I feel old, though, sometimes. Pats are not winning the Super Bowl this year, man. Come on. I can't believe the Bills lost, man, to the Broncos. I can't believe it. That was a good game though. That was a crazy, and that throw by the Bears. Did you guys see the Bears? That last minute Hail Mary? Holy, I was kind of upset the Bears were kind of like that Cinderella story. They lost to the Rams. I think Seahawks will take it this year though, if I'm being honest. They look good. I think the Seahawks will take it. Seahawks and Pats would be a good matchup though. What do you guys think? I'm calling Seahawks here. You heard it here first. What's my bias short term? French toaster, man, you've asked for it, bro. You just going, you're too much on this Boston train, bro. I got you now. You asked, you've been begging for one for a long time. You know you have. All right, so short-term analysis. What do we have? A pump and dump, right? Enticing buyers this morning. We got long. We took the long up here, made money. We took the short, got stopped out, but we still made money. So happy days. The issue with this right here is that we have big imbalance here, fair value gap, right? So whenever you have a fair value gap, that becomes a target for shorts. And you got your perfect little Bart Simpson here. Big old Frankenstein happy guy, okay? So naturally, what do we want to look for? Where's the liquidity? Okay, so liquidity, order block, and this low here. Okay, so we want to see sweep and strength come in for buyers to push price up. Otherwise, we look to rotate back down into our target area. And then we need structure in here in order to justify taking a trade. So this can happen here, this can happen here, and this can happen here. It's not for me to decide. Depending on what we see. And the liquidity taken is how we'll hopefully enter and take trades. Until then, we remain patient for now. We are range bound. We're at the bottom of the range. 87 must hold. This is kind of our last volume before big drop energy. Okay, big drop energy. No BS. Big drop energy. If we come down here, we don't have a lot of support below us until 82, I believe. So big drop energy. Must hold 87. If we don't hold 87, we're going much lower, which I think, yeah, it brings us all the way down to 85, 84, 83. Yeah, it brings us in here. So we're prepared, but want to see 87 defended, okay? That's critical right now. Very manipulated. Davos, all that stuff, right? So all the world elites talking smack, manipulating markets, Greenland, you name it. It's happening, right? So in my opinion, you pay yourself and then you run. Okay? Pay yourself and run is kind of where we're at right now because you get moves like this and this wrecks everybody. Okay? So patience will prevail. We'll see if we can get a sweep in here and a bounce. Look at that. That short would have worked, guys. That's hilarious. So that short setup here, you guys saw the short setup that I gave. That would have worked. Beautiful little trade. That would have worked. I like to see that it worked, right? Pushing back here, though, coming into 9 o'clock. Did anybody take that continuation short? Yeah, I like that it worked. I just, I couldn't justify it because we had swept liquidity in here, right? Entry, stop loss above the high, target is the low. Interesting. It did work, though. It's nice to see strategy work, even though it's... So, there's an order block strategy that we do teach in the Discord. However, it's... You have to counter trade yourself. Like, what is going to negate that trade, right? And sweeping significant liquidity, in my opinion, is something that negates a trade because you've already hit your target, right? In general, that can get you into trouble if you don't recognize what you've done with that move down, right? Because you have a move down, then the retest back in, then the move down again, which is the trade, which worked. However, this liquidity grab already, taking this low, does not allow me to justify taking this trade. Hopefully that makes sense. Three drives, bullish divergence here on Bitcoin. So now we're looking for a mitigation of the high, continuation. Haven't tapped this order block quite fully yet. Patience here. Just need Walker to stay healthy. What the floss? That's little generational gap, I guess. Fortnite thing? Oh, I never Fortnited. You put $5 on Seahawks to win the Super Bowl, $5 payout. Nice, man. Hopefully that plays out. My kids are half your age, bro. You're not old. I love you, Dread Mining. Pats win. Oh, God, here we go. Hey, if we keep getting these Pats win people in my chat, I'm going to have a lot less subscribers, man. All these Brady bandwagoners, man. Oh, man. Bitunix, yeah. Bitunix is done. Poor Bobo. They should have just given it to the Bills just because Bitunix is out. Crypto Billy, man. God bless you. How you doing, man? I'm sick, but it's good to see you, Billy. God bless. Hopefully you're having a wonderful week, man. You are not the man. You are gone. I'm moving to a Maryland. I thought they're just going to change it to Orange Land instead of Greenland. I see we moved to the 1 minute. Yes, we have, Andrew. Is that okay? We were on the 1 minute to locate order blocks. You see that? That's why we were on the 1 minute. Sometimes you gotta zoom in a little bit more to find the goodies, you know? Sometimes you gotta do some, investigational work. This is just liquidity here on NASDAQ. Looks strong, though. Looks very strong. Big recovery. Big recovery. Deviation below the uptrend. Recovery. Rotation back in. Yeah. Trying to hold these lows here. Okay. This is a good move for the NASDAQ. Could very easily come down, but as long as these red lines hold, I'm pretty happy. It's a nice move. Bitcoin just bleeding out slowly. This looks like it needs to come for this low minimum. 2 trades this morning, guys. The VWAP continuation trade on Sol right here. Perfect long this morning. And then we shorted here and got stopped out on a wick back in, which was upsetting. However, happy days. We're in profits. Another day, another dollar. 440 people here. 170 likes. Thank you guys for subscribing and hanging out here. We're live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Taking trades, showing the trades, helping you guys navigate these charts. Welcome. The only thing I really do ask is you say good morning and don't be a weirdo. Guys, I'm going for a coffee. Press long. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you for real? Are you serious, guys? Guys, this has to stop, man. What the fuck? Did you guys put a 1 in the chat if you actually pressed buy there? What the fuck? I could use a tip to remove a metal shaving splinter I have in my left index finger. Yeah, use white vinegar and warm water and salt. Put your finger in there for like 3 minutes. It'll come out. Okay. Carpenter life, man. Carpenter life. I think that's the combo. And it'll just work its way out. I think that's the trick. How to remove splinter with white vinegar. Yeah, remove the splinter with white vinegar. Soak affected skin in a bowl of plain white vinegar for 10 to 30 minutes. It helps shrink the skin and the splinter will surface. Magic, man. It's magic. How do you like that? Or just be a man. No, I'm joking. How do you guys all get long when I'm pissed, man. You guys are evil. Did you guys actually long? Got a 1 minute break here trying to push. You guys didn't actually long, did you? Cut the finger off, splinter, surgery tweezers. My dad just cut it off and said he'll deal with it. That's the one, man. Bullish CVD, buyers stepping up for Solana. Interesting. We do have more news coming out today, guys, so be ready. Be ready. Personal income, core PCE. You guys all got long off. The AlexO coffee indicator. Putting me to shame. One minute break here. 3 minute break here. Halfway down the candle. Continuation possibly. Order block in here. CVD increasing here, trying to push. Solana, pretty choppy, flat. It's trying to push as well, though. Trying to get through this order block right here on Solana. A little bit weak. NASDAQ continuing to climb here. Solana took the low, Bitcoin hasn't. That's my concern right now. So Bitcoin's coming to our buy level, but it hasn't taken the low. It's my only concern here. Otherwise, I'd be long with you on my coffee long. Looking at market cipher generally for bias, what we can see here. Intraday, 4, 3, 2, and 1. When we look at market cipher, obviously double bottom trying to push up here. A little bit of inward curvature, a little bit of weakness here. VWAP resetting, coming back down, trying to push out. Okay. 3 hour. We got bull divs and clipping here. So this is typically quite nice. And we can see bull divs pushing out. So trying to continue and get out here. Lots of liquidity to obviously come up for if we're going to get a move up. 2 hour trigger wave in our face. So, okay, so that's a little bit concerning here. I'd like to see this follow through, right? We're not seeing much of that yet. Not seeing much of that. So 1 hour here. Overextended to the downside. Okay, overextended to the downside, trying to push back. So we have contrarian trigger waves here. We have one pushing up, one pushing down, 2 hour versus 1 hour. A little bit of a battle, right? So if this, then that. Bitcoin rolling over here, guys. Another sweep and go, possibly. Looks as though sellers are in control right now, though. Don't really want to mess with this right now. I don't know about you guys, but you guys taking that long got me all FOMO. Bitcoin coming for the low, Solana rolling over. Bitcoin bounce. Solana bounce. 3 drive Solana. SFP Solana pushback. No trade here. Still waiting, guys. I think Bitcoin still needs to take that low. Still waiting here. CVD dropping off the planet here for Solana. Same with Bitcoin. No follow through back up. Same with Solana. No follow through back up. Looks to come lower. Down is the way. See if we can bounce now. It's got to go here. It's got to bounce here. Lows being taken. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Don't be a namby-pamby. Still no buyers stepping up here for Solana. Still looking weak on Bitcoin. No follow through, guys. No follow through. Down only. Considering a long if Bitcoin can reclaim the range here. Doji, hanging man engulfing. Nasdaq still trying to push. $16 seconds on this candle. It's got to go here. Push. No push. Retest to previous lows. Stop loss to entry, TP1 hit. Looking for follow through on Solana. Bitcoin's getting the move. Where's Solana's move? Up $160 here. We'll see if we follow through here. Need Bitcoin to move. Bullish CVD on Bitcoin here, trying to push it up. Come on, Bitcoin. Ah, you nambe pambe. What an absolute todger. Probably get stopped out here. Super gay. If that doesn't take that, I'll laugh so hard. Really? Really? That was awfully close. Now you can't say the market maker isn't your friend. Sometimes. Can you? That was pretty close. That was pretty close. Oh, man. Shh, don't tell anyone. I made a phone call, guys. I made a phone call. Market opens in 1 minute here. Here we go. Volatility has entered the house. Push, baby. Come on. Nah, it's going to come back for me, isn't it? Up 1,200. We'll let this thing ride, baby. GG's in the chat. Beautiful trade. Don't tell the market maker I called his girlfriend, all right? Don't tell the market maker I called his girlfriend. He's going to be mad at me. Oh, man. GG's in the chat, guys. Come on. That was like entertainment candles tonight, baby. On the AlexOCrypto show. Gang, gang, gang. Just waited for that candle close here. The engulfing candle. Hanging man engulfing candle, guys. You can't fade it. All right. Can't fade it. Happy days. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto something. I don't know what crypto is anymore. Hopefully it's not dead. Congratulations, my friends. Bullish CVD, whole bunch of things pointing the right direction, really. Oh, man. Now it's coming to get me. It's coming to get me now. My God. The volatility is for real. I'm happy with 1,200 anyways, even if it stops me out. This is definitely just the runner. Bitcoin rolling over with bullish CVD. It's kind of weird. You got Bitcoin rolling over here, bullish CVD. Look at the CVD and the divergence in price. It's really weird. CVD going up extremely hard and then anyways. Welcome to Scamville. There we go. Stopped out. Happy days. $1,200. On to the next one. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hanging out. All that fun stuff, you know? Rolling over, baby. Rolling over. Big sweep of the highs. Rotation down. That's what I see. Sweep, dump. Sweep, dump. Bull divs here. No mitigation of the high. No higher high. No continuation trade. NASDAQ dump. Look at all that liquidity we created, right? Bitcoin bullish CVD though, like, interesting. Yikes. That's nasty, man. Look at that. Don't trade this thing. Don't trade this thing. Holy smokes, man. That's disgusting. Pump and dump and pump and dump and pump and dumping. No direction. Dump it. Sweep and go. Sweep and go. Bitcoin coming down. No trade. Lower. Says lower. Can it bounce here? Still waiting for a bounce. Just got to push. Extremely volatile, guys. Lower. Lower, lower, lower. NASDAQ dumping. Retest of previous lows. Continuation down for Solana. Possible short opportunity. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Bitcoin holding. Big bounce on Bitcoin. Still waiting here. Bull div on Solana, trying to push out. Long. Stop loss to entry. See if we can push here. I hammered this one. Push, baby. Come on. Take it, please. Won't take my trade off. What a bastard, man. That was $3,000 right there. Didn't take my trade. See if we can get follow through here. Up 850 here. GG's in the chat. Gotta go, man. Bitcoin looks good. Bullish CVD trying to push out again. Just wanted to see strength, doji, engulfing candle, continuation trade. Liquidity had been swept, looking for follow through. NASDAQ bounce. Steve Ruglin a little bit here. See if we follow through here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here, taking the trades, showing the trades. 480 people in here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Come on, Solana. Could add here. Could add here for follow through. Bitcoin trying to continue. No. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here, guys. Oh, okay. Pretty extremely volatile here. There's 1,000. There's a 13. There's 1,000. 2,000. Yeah. There it is. Bastards. That's cheeky, isn't it? That's cheeky. NASDAQ dumping, guys. Coming back down. Good close. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. See if Bitcoin can push back here. So far, no bueno. NASDAQ looks like crap. NASDAQ looks like crap. Bitcoin trying to hold. Poor follow through here for Bitcoin, looking to rotate down. Very, very volatile and choppy, guys. So no trade here. Looks like it's going lower. Down we go. Dump it, baby. Bitcoin dumping. If you're short, you're killing it. Good job, shorts. Bitcoin dying, Solana dying. Down we go. Cascading, just rolling over here. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Good job, everybody who's short. Solana coming into bounce area here. Not yet. Still waiting for structure. Bitcoin coming into imbalance. No bounce here. CVD is rolling over, so not looking too strong here on Bitcoin. Nasdaq dying. Nasdaq dying. We got news at 10, everybody, just so you're aware. Bitcoin rolling over. No trade here. Still waiting. Lower. Big old Bart Simpson here on the Nasdaq. Oh, Nasdaq bounce potentially. Bitcoin rolling over here. No trade. Sellers in control. Solana and our bounce level looking absolutely grim, mate. Looking absolutely grim. Not looking good at all. Retest to lows, continuation down. Guys are all short. Good job. False move Thursday. Nice bounce out of Solana. Nice bounce out of Bitcoin. Retesting previous lows. News in 8 minutes, everybody. Very volatile day, guys. So if you're trading, please pay yourselves, be patient. Considering a long here, if Bitcoin can continue to push. Nasdaq firing back up. Bitcoin needs to follow through here. Don't see much follow through on Bitcoin. Looking weak sauce, man. 1 minute candle follow through here. No follow through. Buyers stepping up a little bit for Bitcoin here on CVD. Trying to push out. 3 minute trying to push out. Solana still looks weak. No trade here. 6 minutes till news. Still waiting here. Bitcoin retracing. Solana retracing. Failing to push here. Halfway down the candle. Continuation up. Possibility. Kind of a chance for Solana here. Not looking too good though. Rolling over. I see rollover. Again. NASDAQ rejection again. Rejection. Lower. Bitcoin lower. Mm-hmm. 3 minutes till news. Bounce again for Solana potential. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nasty. How's everyone doing? When Tramp news? We'll see, man. We'll see. We got bull divs all around here trying to push out, but we got news data coming out in like whatever minutes, 2 minutes or whatever. We are loading the dump. Loading the dump. I don't know. The banker in Germany, we say this is institutional banking and we're all going to the moon. NASDAQ says lower. $30 seconds. Bitcoin looks like it's ready to fall off a cliff. Which means lower. Selling pressure is real, man. If you're trying to long, you're wrong. Just wait. Here we go. Data is in. Can we push? Or will we go to zero? NASDAQ still looks weak. Bitcoin trying to push back. No follow through on Bitcoin. Still going lower. That's what it says. Still says lower. NASDAQ still says lower. Bitcoin no follow through. Solana no follow through. Solana's in a bounce level, but not with the way Bitcoin's behaving right now. This is just bleeding out, right? Solana, yeah, coming down here. Shorts are winning. Nice push here so far. I would look for a push back here to come and grab like late shorts though. No trade here, guys. Just chilling. Choppy and down, man. Choppy and down. It's like worst price action to trade, really. We're below VWAP. Should be looking for shorts. Besides that, Piper's going to break down the data for you. 467 people in here. Anybody in any trades right now? I still don't feel good. I think it's time to go and sleep again. Bond market dumping, yields up. Yeah. Orb is in, obviously. Trying to reclaim orb. Could be bullish. Could be bullish. Into the fair value gap target. Might need to come lower though, so NASDAQ continues to dump. Nasty day, guys. Just no real direction, just very sloppy. I flipped short for a little short. Oh, stopped out. TP1 hit. $300. Yeah, this is crap, man. Run away. Still not feeling good, guys, so I'm going to take off. Thank you guys for being here. Hopefully you guys have found some trades and found this useful. God bless you guys. Discord, I'll try to come on later and update you guys. I'm just not feeling too hot right now, so look at the hair, man. It looks like Jimmy Neutron. I'm going to send you over to the Piper Academy. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. God bless every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't